Welcome back, everybody. Rooster Homestead here. Today we're going to be making raised beds. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll jump right into it. So basically what we got to do now is, since I got this cut in half, I got to take and cut these little, where it's sticking up about 7 inches or so. I'm going to chop them off flush with this beam, with this band right there. I guess I should point out I'm using a Sawzall, and it's really just a metal blade. It seems to work fine. Bi-metal blade, nothing fancy. Small teeth, so it'll cut through the metal, but it'll go through the plastic anyway, so. We got that done. I'm going to I just use a step drill bit, and we got to drill a couple holes in the bottom of these so that way it lets the water out. Otherwise it turns into a swimming pool and drowned out all your plants. So go ahead and drill some holes. Doesn't have to be a bunch, just 5, 6 of them in the bottom of there. Alright, so now we just got to drag them over where they're going to go, and I'll show you guys that too, because I do some different stuff that some of you guys might do. So, alright, so what I do is I take, these are just pieces of cardboard, like cardboard paper stuff, and I just lay them down, and then I'll take the bin and I'll flip it on top of there and then start filling it up. But I put that on there just to keep the weeds and stuff down, because I'm probably like the laziest gardener I've ever seen in my life, and I hate pulling weeds. So I'm just gonna flip that on there, like I said, and then I got some old rotted wood logs and stuff to put in the bottom of the bin to help fill it up, and some straw and stuff like that. That way it doesn't take so much dirt to fill up, because dirt's expensive. So surprisingly, everybody says cheap as dirt. Well, clearly they've never bought it. So like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and spread out some more of them over here, so I make sure I got plenty of them sticking out. And I'm going to flip the next one over on top of that stuff. Alright guys, so now I don't have any more of these, so I got some 55-gallon drums, and I cut them in half, height wise. If you're standing up like a normal barrel, you just cut it right down the middle, and I laid them out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw them together here in this, heavy seam to heavy seam together, and then I'm going to go along here on both of them and tie all these together with some screws. And then I'm going to come back, I'm going to drill some holes to let the water drain out on these two, and then I'll put some more cardboard down, and I got a couple more drums I'm going to bring over and lay out same as these. Probably keep connecting them all in a row, and then we'll get on to filling them up. But for now, I'm going to get these screwed together, and I want to see how sturdy it is. Just trying to make this as easy as possible, because I made some, well, I'll just show you. I made some like this here, and they were up on legs. I had them, they're actually, right here's the legs. I had them up on legs so they were almost like belly button high on me. And once I filled it up with dirt and everything, it just collapsed the legs. I was like not expecting them to weigh that much, I guess. But so now those are just gonna sit on the ground like that for now. But I'm gonna try a different way and using less stuff, because these ones here have 2x4s around them and stuff. So that's kind of a waste of material. If I can just screw them together like this and they hold together all by themselves, I don't have to mess with them. So that's what we're gonna do. You have to excuse the mess of cardboard laying around here. It was all laid out real nice, and then the wind came and blew them all off before the rain came, because I was trying to keep the weeds down out here, but clearly it didn't work. So now I'm just going to put them underneath of everything like this, and at least those will hold it still, and go from there, I guess. But slowly trying to get the garden put together and make it nice, get the homestead up and going good. This is the first year I've actually really tried very hard with the garden at all, so figure less weeding and more veggies. So we're gonna go ahead and get these screwed together. Alright guys, I'm just kind of using some drywall screws, nothing fancy. See what we can do. Now I'm trying to run these into the thicker spots on here so you don't end up with a bunch of points sticking through to poke you when you're trying to do your gardening. So just be mindful of that when you're putting yours together. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for today. That's what it is. It's simple as screwing them together and leaving them laid there. I gotta fill them up yet, but I'll save that for maybe another video or something. I'll show you how I do the layers and stuff in it, and yeah, I mean, you can do it however you want, but I'll show you how I do it. So for now, that's going to wrap it up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell icon for more videos, and we'll see you on the next one.